Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today we're going to talk about the Suncast Aquawinder. This is a good key factor for doing my garden, and my wife actually saw this at Costco, and I believe the price is around like $39.95, so it might vary depending on where you buy it. But the great thing about this product right here is it auto winds on its own, and what it does, and we've come down to the side here, is there's this right here. There we see down to my left here, actually where we're filming, it says rewind, and then when we move this, it says rest. So as you can see, my dog's kind of getting in the camera shot because she wants to be in the video too. But the great thing is it comes with this attachment, this black attachment hose right here that has, and it comes with this is another hose that gives you a pretty good length. So when you're filling, or I'm sorry, not filling, but when you are pulling everything in, when you're stretching it out, when it rewinds, it will discharge any out. So for me, I'll be using that for putting it back into my rain barrels. It comes with 2 stakes, and it comes with this nozzle attachment. So it doesn't come with screws, so you have to put these screws in here on the hose, so when it's rewinding, it will stop so it doesn't continue to suck in. Has the lid top right here. I have a 100-foot hose to be making the run for where I need to do. Probably a 100-foot hose is probably a little too much. Probably could have done with 50, but got the hose at Costco for like 10 bucks, so I really couldn't complain. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this into my faucet on the side of the house, and we're gonna stretch it out so you can kind of see it in action. And then too, once we get later on, I've already done a test run with the transfer pump. We're going to show you there will be a difference later on once we kind of get that all set up, so stay tuned. Okay, we have the hose attachment attached to our side of the house. This is in rest. I have it pulled out a little bit if the camera goes out so you can see the hose. So all you have to do is, once you have your faucet turned on, which is at the house, you just turn this into rewind, and so as you can look here to the right, you're seeing the water is discharging here. So when I'm doing this with a rain barrel, it'll go right back in, so I'm not losing anything. But as you can see, it's actually moving at a nice pace, and it's doing it all on its own. Yes, it's going with the water, but it's pretty nice. And then once you have it in rest, no more water is leaking out because this is still active. But pretty nice. Like I said, I'm gonna just you can kind of see this in action. It's all done by water. So now you have that attachment that we don't put on because this hose is a little bit too bigger for that, but it doesn't matter. This plastic on there will stop as it, but I am super excited to have this as to be part of the off-the-grid rain barrel catching system. It moves a little bit slower when I was using the transfer pump, but that's okay. It's a smaller one, but you'll see that in a future video down the road. But this is something really nice. As you can see, it comes with these 2 plastic pieces where you use the stakes to stake it into the ground, but for 40 bucks, and it auto winds. Very happy with this, so it's going to be great for the garden and that. So let me guys know in the comment section if you guys have seen one like this that uses the water. It's like maybe non-electric, because I've seen some that are electric or whatever, but with this just being water, right down below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.